Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I send money from my Capital One credit card to Cash App? This is a great question, and one that I'm sure a lot of you are wondering about. The answer is yes, you can send money from your Capital One credit card to Cash App. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you need to add your Capital One credit card to your Cash App account. To do this, go to the Cards tab in the Cash App app. Then, tap on the Add Card button. Enter your credit card information and tap on the Submit button. Once your credit card is added to your Cash App account, you can send money to anyone using the Cash App app. To do this, open the Cash App app and tap on the Send button. Enter the amount of money you want to send, and then enter the recipient's Cash App username or phone number. Tap on the Send button, and the money will be transferred to the recipient's account. There are a few things to keep in mind when sending money from your Capital One credit card to Cash App. There is a fee for sending money from a credit card to Cash App. The fee is 3% of the amount you send, with a minimum fee of $1. You can only send up to $1,000 per day from your credit card to Cash App. You can only send a total of $5,000 per month from your credit card to Cash App. If you have any questions about sending money from your Capital One credit card to Cash App, please feel free to leave a comment below. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about using Cash App, please be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.